Hello guys, my name is Akash. Welcome to Akash Mathematics channel. In my previous video, I told you about what is graph. You see this video. You see this video, and in this video, I told you about what are the irrational numbers and how irrational numbers we represent on number line. Okay, so first of all, we discuss what is irrational number. What is irrational numbers? In the previous many videos, I discuss about rational numbers. You see in my channel videos, I discuss about rational number. In this video, I discuss about irrational numbers. Let's get started. So what are irrational numbers? Irrational numbers are those numbers which cannot be represented in the P upon Q form, and P and Q are integers, and Q does not equal to 0. These are the conditions so that the number is called a irrational number. Irrational numbers are those numbers which cannot be represented in the P upon Q form. They are the P and Q are integers, and Q does not equal to 0. So the irrational numbers have non-terminating and non-recurring. What are terminating and recurring? What are non-terminating, non-recurring? The non-terminating is that they are continuous, endless. They are endless. And non-recurring, they non-recurring मतलब they repeat the numbers. They repeat the numbers with different digits. They not repeat regularly. They repeat with the different numbers with no group of digits repeat endlessly. So these are the non-terminating and non-recurring. So now we represent how the irrational numbers represent on number line. Let's go. So first we want a compass and we want a scale. So first question is this: locate root 2 on the number line. How we locate root 2 on a number line? Because root 2 is an irrational number. It cannot represent in the P upon Q form because their decimal expansion is larger and it cannot be stopped. It is non-terminating and non-recurring. So now we represent root 2 on the number line. First of all, we take a scale. Then we draw a line. So first of all, we draw a number line. I draw. You also draw with me. So I draw a number line. Now we take a one unit place and we put a 1 centimeter dots. So we take this. By the compass we are drawing numbers. This. So now I draw a number line. So what is question? We locate a root 2. So first of all, what is Pythagoras theorem. So we discussing about Pythagoras. There is a formula: height plus base. So there is a formula to find the Pythagoras theorem. The formula is hypotenuse is equal to base plus height. This is the hypotenuse, this is the base, and this is the height. Height, base, hypotenuse. Okay. So there is a saying locate root 2 on the number line. First of all, we draw a triangle. So first of all, we draw a triangle. To draw a rough sketch, first we draw. And label it. It is a 90-degree angle. So we take a unit of first we take a unit to draw a root of irrational number. So what we take? We take a 1 as a height and we take 1 as a base. So we plus 1 to came a 2. So we solve it by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, AB is equal to BC plus AC. Okay. So we solve 1 square plus 1 square 1 plus 4. So the root 2 is came. So now we make root 2 on number line. We take a 1 unit as a base. Now we take a 1 unit as base and 1 unit as height. So now we put a point to draw 1 centimeter. I take a 1 unit. I take a small distance. You take a long distance also. Okay. So the diagram is made. Now it is a 1 centimeter. It is also a 1 centimeter. The height is a base, and it is a 90 degree, and it is a hypotenuse. Now we find the root 2 on the number line. So first of all, now we take a point O. We label it A, B, C. Now we take a point from A and to B and make an arc, and this arc is came in which place? In number line. It is a position of root 2 on number line. So in this way we find irrational numbers on number line. First of all, what we do? We do a number line, then we draw a rough sketch by the end to solve the Pythagoras theorem. We take a number 2, came the root 2, root 3, root 5, and then we represent on the number line. So the point is P. So in this way, अब इसी में मैं रूट 3 भी लोकेट कर सकता हूँ. कैसे लोकेट करेंगे? So I draw the root 3 also. So first of all, what I do? First of all, I take a 1 unit from this point to the D, B to D, 1 unit. Then I draw, this is the hypotenuse, then I draw, so now it is a root 2 plus root 1 is equal to 3 root. So then I solve the Pythagoras theorem by the Pythagoras theorem. So in this way the root 3 is came, and I from A to D I mark it, and then I put an arc. So which point root 3 is point is came? This is root 3. So in this way we locate root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7 and any root by the this process. So I hope you get some knowledge from this video, and in the next video I told you about how to find irrational numbers, how to find irrational numbers by a rational numbers, how to add, subtract, multiplication operation of the irrational numbers or rational numbers. Thanks for watching this video. Please